Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harchi Creations. In this video, I would like to describe a very easy tutorial for the ladies socks. The foot size for this ladies socks is 5 to 6 number. I have used knitting needle number 10 and the wool used for it approximately 40 grams. So let's start the tutorial. Friends, before starting the tutorial, if you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of the upcoming video. Friends, for this socks, I have cast on 84 stitches on my needle. So let's start. First row, right side. We will purl all the stitches in the first row. So I am going to complete the first row by purl all the stitches. Friends, I have prepared its first row. Now is the row second, wrong side. Friends, from the row 1 to row 12, we will purl all the stitches. So let's complete 12 rows by purl all the stitches. Friends, I have completed 12 rows by purl all the stitches. So here are our 6 ridges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is our lower part of the shoe. Now we will make our middle part. So in the middle part, here we have 84 stitches. So now we will divide these 84 stitches into 3 parts. 24 in the starting, 24 in the starting, 36 in the middle and 24 in the last. So now we will prepare the middle part of the shoe. This is our 13th row, right side. In the starting, we will purl 24 stitches. So let's complete by purl 24 stitches. Friends, I have purled 24 stitches here in the starting. Now in the middle for 36 stitches, yarn in back. Here I will knit 1 stitch from below, from here, 1 stitch from below like this. Then yarn in front, purl 1 stitch. We will repeat this pattern up to 36 stitches, knit 1 from below and purl 1. So repeat one more time, yarn in back, knit 1 stitch from below, yarn in front, purl 1 stitch, 4 stitches here. Then again yarn in back, knit 1 stitches from here, yarn in front, purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, knit 1 stitch from here, yarn in front, purl 1 stitch, yarn in back, knit 1 stitch from below, yarn in front, purl 1 stitch. Let's complete it up to 36 stitches. So friends, I have completed 36 stitches here by knit 1 from below and purl 1 stitch, and in the last I have 24 stitches. Now I will purl all the stitches. So let's complete it by purl all the stitches. Friends, our 13th row has completed. In starting I have purled 24 stitches. In the middle part there are 36 stitches in the middle part, and following the pattern knit one from below and purl one stitch. Then at the last we have 24 stitches, then purl the 24 stitches. Friends, this pattern from the 13th row 13 to 36 row, all row will be same. So let's complete all row from 14 to 36 by following the same pattern. In the starting purl 24 stitches, in the middle for 36 stitches knit one from below and purl one stitch, and in the last purl 24 stitches. So let's complete our 14 to 36 rows. Friends, I have prepared the middle part by 14 to 36 rows, 24 stitches by purl all the stitches. Here is 36 stitches, knit one below and purl one stitches up to 36 stitches, then purl 24 stitches. Now our middle part is ready. First of all, I have prepared a lower part. Lower part consists of 12 rows, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 ridges, 12 rows by purl all the stitches. After that 24 rows in the middle part, 13 to 36, that consists of purl 24 stitches, then knit one from below and purl one up to 36 stitches, 24 stitches purl stitches at the last. So now our 37 row. Now I am going to start its upper part. Upper part start from a 37 row, and 37 row, in 37 row we will purl all the stitches in the 37 row. So I am going to complete the 37 row by purl all the stitches. Is the 38 row. In 38 row we will purl all the stitches in the 38 row also. So let's complete the 38 rows. Friends, I have completed the 38 row. Now 39 row, right side. In starting we will purl 24 stitches. Friends, I have purled 24 stitches here. Now in the middle here I have 36 stitches. Now we will decrease some stitches from here. So we will purl, after purl 24 stitches we will do purl 2 stitches together. We will repeat it up to 18 times. 18 times one time. Purl 2 stitches together. 2 times. Purl 2 stitches together 3 times. Purl 2 stitches together 4 times. Purl 2 stitches together 5 times. Purl 2 stitches together 6. Purl 2 stitches together 7. Purl 2 stitches together 8. Purl 2 stitches together 9. Purl 2 stitches together 10. Purl 2 stitches together 11. Purl 2 stitches together 12. Purl 2 stitches together 13. Purl 2 stitches together 14. Purl 2 stitches together 15. Purl 2 stitches together 16. Purl 2 stitches together 17. Purl 2 stitches together 18. So in starting I have purled 24 stitches. After that purl 2 stitches together up to 18 times. Now at the last I have 24 stitches. So I am going to purl all the 24 stitches. So let's complete this row by purl the remaining 24 stitches from here. Row 40, wrong side. We will purl all the stitches in the 40th row. So let's complete this row by purl all the stitches. Row 41, right side. In starting we will purl 24 stitches. So let's complete 24 stitches by purl. So friends, I have purled 24 stitches here. Now in the middle I will do purl 2 stitches together up to 9 times. 1 time, purl 2 stitches together 2 times, purl 2 stitches together 3 times, purl 2 stitches together 4 times, purl 2 stitches together 5 times, purl 2 stitches together 6 times, purl 2 stitches together 7 times, purl 2 stitches together 8 times, purl 2 stitches together 9 times. In starting I have purled 24 stitches, then purl 2 stitches together up to 9 times. Now in the last I have 24 stitches. Now I will purl all the remaining 24 stitches. So let's complete this row by purl the remaining 24 stitches. 42 row, we will purl all the stitches in the 42 row. 43 row, we will purl all the stitches in the 43rd row also. Friends, I have completed 43 rows. Now we will bind off these stitches. So this is our 44th row, wrong side. Purl 2 stitches together. This stitch again shift into the left needle, and again we will do purl 2 stitches together. In this way we will bind off all the stitches. So friends, I have bind off all the stitches. Now we will cut off the thread from here. It is a right side and it is a wrong side, so fold from here. Now I will sew this shoe first from here, then from the sole. So let's start to sew it. So friends, our shoe is ready. Its shape is like this. I hope you will like my video. Thank you for watching and enjoying knitting with us.